For our second sample artifact, evidence of student learning, we're going to show how teachers who took the professional development course on Google Classroom tailored it to fit the needs of their own students in their own classes. Now keep in mind that the population of the professional development class are K through 12 teachers in all disciplines. And that's another reason that we had the discussion forum, for them to share their ideas and maybe connect with, say, other science teachers, other art teachers, elementary versus secondary, but then cross-connect too, because an elementary art teacher may have a great idea that a secondary science teacher would like to use. The point is, we all learn from each other. So once again, the forum on the original PD classroom will be where people will share their ideas and hopefully connect with one another. Now, once the teacher sets up their own classroom, the same idea applies to the students. The Google Classroom can be a place where students connect with one another. Teachers can get all students involved in collaborating with one another, asking questions, exploring. There's interactive websites that you can connect to Google Classroom where students can explore at their own pace and ask questions. There are comment forms where students could make comments and communicate with one another. Teachers can add videos, text, audio, just about anything to Google Classroom. But most importantly, they need to tailor it to the needs of their students, to their own curriculum, and to what it is that they want their students to achieve. Another great thing about Google Classroom, because every child in the class is tuned into it, is it's a great place to share successes. The possibilities with Google Classroom are endless, but one thing it does do is organize student work. So when students complete assignments, they post them to the classroom. Everything is done on Google Docs, and the teacher will have a folder in their drive with all the students' works to examine and comment on. Every classroom will look different in Google Classrooms, but some of the things that, some of the common threads that should run through every classroom are the digital and media literacy competencies, where students can act, access, create, reflect, and analyze. And hopefully that'll be driven home in the professional development, so that every teacher, no matter how they design their Google Classrooms and what they put in their Google Classrooms, will have those elements.